I'm ready to get my driver's license. Can't wait to start the exam. Where are you going? Here's your car. This is our first driving lecture. Looks like this instructor has wanted to become a driver since he was a little kid. Vroom! Oh, ladies, come in. Let's start our class. Got it. Nice to meet you, Instructor Sean. Stop right here. Great. I'll be back. Stop there. Not bad. Hang on a second. Park here. Hold on a minute. I'll just bring the next order. I'll be back when I'm done. And now we're gonna learn how to park. I'll help you. Watch my signs. Go to the front. Now right. Stop. Not so fast. Brake! Stop! You're expelled. Not again. Can I take this car? How much money do you have? Not a lot. Excuse me, you can't afford this car. We have a budget option for you. Okay, let's go. This car has a foot brake, but it's the most eco-friendly and safest car. Slow down at the traffic light. Green, let's go. Let's run. Park, not so fast. Good. Congrats, you did it. Here's your license.
What?
But why is it made out of cardboard? It's just like your car. Congrats! You passed the exam. Here's your license. Whoops! My car! I forgot to pull the parking brake. Hold it. Give me the license back. You didn't pass. And here's my student. Please, start driving. I'm ready. Hit the gas. Let's go. Come on. Why aren't we going? Are the wheels broken? You forgot to release the parking brake. You fail. Whoops! Remember, this is very important. This is left and this is right. This is very difficult. You'll have to spend a lot of time learning which one is left and which one is right. Sarah is obviously having trouble. Right, left. No? Fine, I'm gonna help you. Here, you will be driving with special gloves on. This one is right and this one is left. Now you won't mix it up. This is so convenient. Thanks. Awesome. I hope I didn't mix it up. I'm ready for my exam. You know, instructor, it would be better for you to buckle up. It's fine. No, trust me. It's better to buckle up. All right, can we go now? Instructor, get ready. This is Fast and Furious Troom Edition. Stop. I'm gonna... You are so sensitive. I think I passed. Remember, when you want to turn, you have to use your turn signal. Class was so interesting that Jennifer fell asleep. No sleeping in my class. Let's keep going. Excuse me. Oh, good afternoon, Grandma. I I brought you some homemade buns. Enjoy! Your job is so stressful. Fine. Go slowly and carefully. Your buns are delicious. Oh no! Is that the police? Stop! Ma'am, you violated 4 traffic rules. Hang on. Instructor, I'll take care of this. Ma'am, your buns are delicious. It's amazing. Let's keep on going. Let's fill the car right now. Go to the gas station. Now show me if you can fill up the car. Take the hose. Done. Great. Put it in. I did it. Unfortunately, the instructor forgot to mention you have to take the hose back out. Congrats. Here's your license. You did great. Or maybe you didn't. Give the license back. Hello, is this my car? No. Are you my instructor? Uh-huh. I'm ready to get a driving license. Hold on. I can't see. I need my glasses. Right. Oh. Here are the glasses for the rearview mirror. That's it. We can go. Stop. I still can't see well. I need bigger glasses. Hold on. Here, these glasses will be perfect. Let's go. Now I can see the road. Let's start our lecture on driving theory. Girls, take notes. Remember the first rule. The road is straight, but sometimes it turns. Yeah, we wrote it down. Let's talk about colors. Red means stop. Yellow means get ready. And finally, green means go. What a great lecture. I got it. I'm gonna practice what I learned right now. Whoops! I ran a red light in GTA. Excuse me, teacher. Wow! This is a picture of me getting my driver's license. And here's a selfie with the car. Miss, get in the car. Selfie with the seatbelt. It's so pretty. That's it. Give me your phone. Let's begin. Fine. Here's a selfie of me starting. I look good in this car. Give me your second phone. Let's go. Okay, full speed. Woohoo! Take pictures of me, traffic cameras. Get ready, baby. Your mom is about to take her driving test now. Oh, a pregnant woman. Excuse me. Sit down. Buckle up. Oh, I got it. There you go. What? A mirror? Hold on. Is this all right? And the side mirrors and the gear stick. You know what? Let me do it. Why would you worry? Let's change places. Congrats! We passed the exam. This license is for you, and this one is for your baby. Have a nice delivery. I'm here to take a driving test. I'm not a maniac. This is just my Halloween costume. Can we go? But it's April now. Halloween is still months away. Okay, I'm not gonna argue with you. You know, I'll just say you pass right away. And here's your license. Happy Halloween! Do you like our driving classes? Then comment below how you would take your driving test. Would you dress as a maniac, put glasses on a car, or train with video games? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.